Hi, welcome to Namika Flower Creation. Today we will make monstera plastic leaf craft. Prepare your plastic bag. Here I'm using large size of green plastic. Cut into half like this, and then fold into half. You can adjust the size of plastic based on size of leaf that you want. Next, we will iron the plastic using medium heat of iron. Put paper above plastic. And gently press iron into plastic. Remember to use medium heat so your plastic will not damage. This is the result. The texture of plastic should be like this. Then fold into half and cut the plastic into monstera leaf shape. I will show you how to make hole in the monstera leaf. Just fold the part of leaf that you want to make a hole. Then, cut half circle like this. Now have fun and make the monstera leaf shape that you want. This artificial leaf from plastic also good idea to sell because many people like using monstera leaf for decoration. Next, we will put stalk to this leaf. I'm using floral wire like this. Put the glue gun in the middle of plastic leaf. Remember to make sure low heat glue gun so you are not damage the plastic. And gently place the wire in the middle. Fold like this and fold back half centimeter. The result should be like this. To make stalk leaf look neat and real, we will wrap this part using green plastic. And your monstera plastic leaf is done. Very easy, right? And fun craft to make. You should try this at home. Artificial monstera leaf can be used for room decoration. What do you think about this plastic leaf tutorial? I'm happy to read your comment. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting and see you on next video.